Hi guys, we just got the craziest leak for the Galaxy S22 series. Doyeon Kim on Twitter just dropped the Galaxy S22 series official introduction video that Samsung is supposed to show at its Unpacked event in February. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So this is one really crazy leak. It's definitely not something that happens before every launch event, and someone is most likely gonna get fired because of this. Also, if you don't see this video up later, then it most likely got copyright striked, but I'm gonna show you anyway because that's what we do here. So, Doyeon Kim leaked the official Galaxy S22 series introduction video. This is what Samsung was gonna play at the start of the Unpacked event in February to introduce the S22 series, but we're gonna get first dibs. Bear in mind, most parts of the video is blurred out to protect his source. So here it goes. Okay, so I stopped the video less than halfway through because it hurts watching it with all that blur. So I'm just gonna talk about the remaining parts of the video that are not too blurred out. The video confirms the color of the S Pen for the S22 Ultra. So all the S22 Ultra's S Pen are gonna be black regardless of the color of the device. It also confirms the flat design of the S21 and S21 Plus. So the back is no longer gonna be curved but flat, much like the iPhone 13 series. Now, it seems all three variants of the S22 series are gonna use the new Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and will also use the new Armor Aluminium. So all three variants are gonna be the toughest Galaxy yet. The video also confirms the colors. So the S22 Ultra is gonna come in green, black, white, and burgundy. And the S22 and S22 Plus will have the same colors, except burgundy will be swapped for pink. The video highlights the improvement in the phone's camera quality and low-light video performance, and we've already seen Samsung tease that by promising game-changing nightography. The video also teases long battery performance, and one takeaway from that scene is the possibility of a new charging animation on the Galaxy S22 series. Kim also released an official video of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and this one isn't blurred. I'll be making a video on it, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.